Hey and welcome. Let me talk in this video how we could set up our development environment. To start with Android application, you need Android Studio. You could download Android Studio by going to Google and search for Android Studio. Then you will get this website, which is developer.android.com/studio. Just click on it. Then you could easily download the last version. To show you, for example, here download Android Studio, I click on it and click, then I accept, then I click download. It will take some time until it will download Android Studio for me. So I would wait until it finish. Someone did finish, so what I do, I will go to download and I will find my application, which is Android Studio, this one. I click on it and I download it. And Mac is very easy, just drag it, drop it to application and boom, you're all set. Another operating system, you may do it differently. You may need to just click OK, next, 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 next. But by the end, it's just very easy, straightforward installation process. You don't need to do a lot of unique things or something non-now, and it just drag drop. Then you just or click next, next, next. That's all what you need to do. So let me wait for some time until Android Studio get installed in my machine. As I told you, if you are a Windows user, you do similar step, but maybe you click next, next. So now I have it set up. All what I need to do, just search in my Mac for Android Studio, and here you go. This is my Android Studio. Besides, I download the Android Studio. I want to do some setup to make sure everything is good to go. So waiting for a few minutes to verify the installation. Here you go, just verified. I would say yes, open it. It will take some time to open it, so let me wait. There you go, just try to open it for me, and I think it's almost ready to do some setup. So this is the Android Studio. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Before we create any app, we need to do some settings in Android Studio. So I would go to here configuration and I click first for SDK manager. So when you click on a SDK manager, you need to make sure first of all go here to the SDK platform and make sure the last version is checked. For example, for me, the version I'm using is Android Q. Make sure if it's not checked, make sure to add check, then you click OK, so it will install it for you. Because we need to use Android Q, for example, or next releases. Then in this tab, look for any application you have it as a text mention update available. If you have anything update available, make sure you again check it and click update because you need to update it. For me, there is no update available. Everything is up to date, so I don't need to do anything. It's really interesting to focus on this because Android they do a lot of updates, so make sure always checking this page, and if you have anything update available, check it and install it. And same thing this one. So now I am good. I have Android Q installed. You could install multiple releases. For example, you want to test on Android N, Android O, just check them and install them. See, you could install them. I don't want to install them. For me, I'm good with Android Q, so I don't want anything else. Next thing, I want to run the application in my device or in the emulator. To run Android application emulator, I need to go here and click AVD Manager. In AVD Manager, I need to create a virtual device, virtual Android device to be able to run the application on it. So here you tell me what the device you want to do. I would say Android XL, whatever, next. And here to refresh, see, it will show me you have Android Q. If you have Android Q but beside the word download, make sure you click download. For example, P, if you want like what you see here in P, just click download, it will download for you. It already come out downloaded. As I told you, if it didn't download, just click download to download this image for you so you could use it. Then click next. Here how you want to use it, how it look like, what the settings for it, what the amount of memory you want the emulator to use from your device. All these settings, just keep it default, so you don't need to do anything with it. Okay, and I would say okay, finish, and it will now create an emulator for me. Now I have Android Studio already. I have the emulator ready, so now all what I need to do just click OK and run it. There you go, just run it. It will take some time until the operating system get loaded and I will be able to use it. So now I know I'm gonna need this part. I just want to show you how to create Android Studio, how to create your emulator to be ready for the next step. So we wait until we see Android UI. If we see it, we're good to go. If not, we do some changes. There you go. Yeah, see, Google. So now, yeah, almost we have Android Studio ready to go to the next step. Here we go, almost ready. I think we are almost there. This is the Android UI, and I think we could just play with it, do whatever we want. You click home page and something like that. So see, this is Android Studio or Android application or Android emulator. Sorry. So this is the emulator. When we build any application Android Studio, you could just deploy to the Android device or Android emulator, and you could see how that application run and everything. So if you get to this step, you are good to go to the next video. Thank you for watching and see you next.